Hello students, welcome to Chetan classes. Today we are going to learn determinants. First we will see the definition. Determinants are arrangements of n cross n numbers in equal number of rows, means horizontal entries, and columns, that is vertical entries, enclosed between a pair of bar brackets. It is denoted by D or this triangle notation. They are square arrangements and are scalar quantities. Means determinants अगर हमें solve करना है तो we want n cross n number. It means in matrix chapter we saw square matrix. For example, if we find the determinant of here 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is row 1, this is row 2, this is column 1 and this is column 2. तो यहाँ पे 2 rows है और 2 columns है. Means it is a square. It means number of rows equal to number of columns. तो ही हम उसका determinant निकाल सकते हैं. So the value of determinant, so D is equal to product of main diagonal entries minus product of anti-diagonal entries. It means 1 and 4, here 1 and 4, this is main diagonal and this is anti-diagonal. Clear? For example, here D we consider determinant 1, 2, 3, 4. तो अभी ये फॉर्मूला यूज करो, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मेन डायगोनल. सो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मेन डायगोनल मीन्स 1 into 4 minus anti diagonal means 2 into 3. So here we get 4 minus 6 which is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now next, minors and cofactors. Minors and cofactors. So if A is n cross n determinant, then the determinant of order n minus 1 cross n minus 1 obtained from A by removing its ith row and jth column is called minor of element Aij, and it is denoted by Mij. The minor of any element with sign from the determinant of signs is called a cofactor of that element. It is denoted by Cij. So therefore Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. This is the formula. एग्जाम्पल करते हैं तो आपको ये टॉपिक और समझ में आएगा. Example, or first we will see the determinant of 3 cross 3 and then we try some examples. So let D is equal to A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3. तो इसका फॉर्मूला रहेगा. So therefore D is equal to A1. Now removing first row, first column, तो रिमेनिंग जो भी एंट्री है उसका डिटर्मिनेंट दैट इज B2 C2 B3 C3. नाउ माइनस B1. सो रिमूविंग फर्स्ट रो सेकेंड कॉलम, सो रिमेनिंग एंट्रीज इज A2 C2 A3 C3 प्लस C1. सो रिमूविंग फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम, सो रिमेनिंग एंट्रीज आर A2 B2 A3 B3. अभी 2 क्रॉस 2 का डिटर्मिनेंट कैसे करते हैं जस्ट अभी हमने देखा. सो A1 इंटू B2 C3 माइनस C2 B3 माइनस B1 इंटू A2 C3 माइनस C2 A3 प्लस C1 इंटू A2 B3 माइनस B2 A3 and which is belongs to real number. This is called expansion of the determinant along row 1 or R1. We can expand it along any row or column. The value is same. Okay. Example, first evaluate determinant of sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. This question is of 2 marks in diploma semester 1 exam. So let D is equal to sin theta minus cos theta, here cos theta sin theta. तो 2 क्रॉस 2 डिटर्मिनेंट का फॉर्मूला क्या है? डायगोनल एंट्रीज माइनस एंटी डायगोनल एंट्रीज. सो साइन थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा. साइन थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा में साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा इज कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. नाउ माइनस माइनस प्लस, सो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा plus cos square theta and this value is 1. So therefore D is equal to 1. Okay. Second example, solve 2 minus 3 4 3 is equal to here x1 minus 2x. So given 2 minus 3 4 3 is equal to this determinant x1 minus 2x. Now solve this determinant on both the side. So here we get 2 into 3 minus 3 into 4 is equal to x into x minus 1 into minus 2. So 2 into 3 is 6 minus 12 is equal to x square minus 2. It means 6 plus 12 is equal to x square plus 2. So here 18 is equal to x square plus 2. Therefore x square is equal to 18 minus 2. So x square is equal to 16. So therefore x is equal to plus minus 4. Next example. Find x if determinant of x2, 8, 4 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2. So given determinant of x2, 8, 4 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2. Solve this determinant. So 4x minus 16 is equal to 2 minus 2. So 4x minus 16 is equal to 0. So therefore 4x is equal to 16. Therefore x is equal to 4.